Let's learn philosophy with ease and fun. This is a very interesting topic here. Also posted in Facebook. Here you see I have written in very short form so that you can think a lot and can improve your philosophy, improve your insight. That's very essential so that you can live peacefully, you can learn a lot, you can be a great philosopher like Socrates. Socrates used to do this. So if you read a lot, it can't help you get more and more philosophical person, but if you keep on thinking at the same time reading is necessary. If you do not have the input, how can you have output unless you are as intelligent as Einstein or Isaac Newton or Socrates? Usually we are not that intelligent like them. We are in a way different from them. So here you see man loves what? On his own. He doesn't fall in love because she is in love with him. He usually is into her because he himself a little bit, bit by bit, he falls in love with the girl. But on the other hand, the girl, the hen I'm talking about, compared to a hen lays another egg if it has already been given an egg. So a girl is into a boy when she has found that he loves her a lot. When he keeps showing his love, she understands that this is the boy she can get pleasure from, can get sexual pleasure from, can get a good time, can have financial security, a lot of things that are necessary for her, she can get from that boy. And then she bit by bit falls in the relationship. She is now into him. But the thing is that the boy is no more with her because he is one of those 100% boys, maybe 1% of boys, maybe 2% of boys. They know, oh, if I can manage her love, then she can give me anything I want, right? So he behaves in a way that he loves. Actually, he does not love. So when a boy falls in love on his own, it's permanent. The love doesn't go away. If you study yourself, if you fall in love with studies, with acquiring knowledge, then you will never leave it. You will keep on. But the thing is that the teachers force the students, the parents force the students, make them bound to study. And when there are no teachers, there's no pressure, there are no parents, nothing like that, then they will go away from studies. They will not be interested in. You can take a horse near water, but can you make it drink? No. You can keep the boy with a book, but can you make him read? Can you make him learn? No. So the girl always finds a boy who has been in love with her, and this is why 1% or 2% of boys, they make an impression so that she understands that, but it's not right. She is into a bad relationship. But when you see a boy is in love with her and he makes her fall in love with him, what happens? As he's not been in love before, as she's his first girl, he can't understand what to do, how to make the girlfriend happy. So he doesn't know that she needs an ice cream. She doesn't need a bitter gourd. She needs an ice cream. She doesn't need a bitter gourd. That's the problem. The boy who's never been in relationship with a girl doesn't know how to make her happy, because a girl's love depends on how happy he makes her, how peaceful time, helpful time, fun, pleasure, all this entertainment he gives to her. So her love depends on his activities, but his love doesn't depend on her activity. Even when she scolds, disturbs, terrifies him, whatever she does, he is still in love with her. But when a boy gets another girl who cares him, who is even better than that, then he may diminish the love for the previous girl. It happens in Devdas Bhagavati in every place. So here you see man loves on his own, but a hen lays another, given an egg, an opportunity one person, males take and keep changing. So that boy, that scoundrel, that lecherous boy will keep on changing new and new girls, that is hens. So I haven't written a lot, I've written very few words so that you think and read, think and read, think and read. That's how you can improve your philosophy. You can learn the necessary information. So you keep on watching my videos, you'll get to know a lot of things that can help you live better peacefully with your boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever. And at the same time, you can improve your philosophy. You can get a good job. You can have a lot of knowledge and all these things. And once you get philosophy, you don't need to study. That's what happened to Socrates. Socrates did not have any school, any college, did not have any book. He didn't write anything. He didn't go through any book. He did not have any teacher. He had no one to help him. But he became the father of philosophy, Western philosophy. He invented a system, a methodology, how you can improve your philosophy. So if you keep on watching, if you keep on thinking, if you keep on reading at the same time, thinking a lot. So read once and think 3 times. So if you read 5 minutes and think 15 minutes, something like that. When you think and read and think and read, then you can improve some insight, some philosophical insight that can help you become something special. You can be a great person, and any question that comes in your mind, you can answer it. This happens in philosophy. Philosophy is the most important branch of knowledge, and the Holy Quran has been written in philosophic way. That's Allah is the most powerful philosopher everywhere. He's superior to anything. He is uncomparable. He is unparalleled. So he knows everything, the best, most elevated. So he has used his philosophy in writing, while writing the Holy Quran. So philosophy is the main thing. As I said, Socrates did not have anything. Still, he became the father of Western philosophy. And how? It's because of thinking and thinking. He always tells the students, tells boys, girls, that think why it happens. If somebody answers a question, he asks why. So when you think of why, the reason behind, then you can get a lot of answers. So that's very, very important. That's very, very important. So here you see the sentences are very small, very few words, and there are no fillers. However, this is one of the fillers, so I haven't put any filler. And this word I have read but. I have helped in some cases so that you can understand easily. So understanding is important. That's why I have used some easy words, easy sentences, so that readers can understand. So what do you think? A girl is stupid? In cases she doesn't know what should she do. She must understand the codes, how she can understand whether the boy is in real love or fake love. So she must identify, she must be able to separate real love from fake love. When a boy is with real love, she ignores because he doesn't know how to make her happy. He gives a bitter gourd. He doesn't go give an ice cream flower like that. On the other hand, the boy who has already cheated one girl, he is now trying her to understand more and more, and after 2 or 3 girls, he can master. And when he has mastered this art, he can keep on changing the girls. So the same thing is here. You see, an opportunity one person males take, and he keeps
changing hens one after another. And this is how a girl is in danger. This is how a good boy is in danger. There are 98 good boys who do not get love, who do not get pleasure from girls, but 1 or 2% of boys, they cheat girls one after another. Girls are cheated. Girls have, very bad, time in the future, and all these hazards take place. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching.